Welcome back to a new video for the cloud series. Today I'll be examining and configuring dashboard and reports. And dashboards, there's pretty much a simple point or like a single pane of glass of information pertaining to our operations, right? But what I'm going to do today is just explain a little bit about the dashboard and reporting with an emphasis on like cost, elasticity, usage, connectivity, latency, and configuring reporting within a dashboard as well. So I'm going to start off with configuring resources to view in the dashboard. So let's actually open this up. I'm going to actually configure and deploy these resources within Microsoft Azure. So I'm just going to utilize the Azure dashboard here and then filter the resources by the tags that I add to them. So let's start with creating a resource, right? And then let's take a look at our storage. Let's create a storage account. Okay, we have our resource group already there. So we're good there. So let's there. Performance, we want our redundancy to be local, right? Looks good. Validation, of course. And I'm going to create. All right. Deployment should be completed in just a second. So the deployment is now complete, so I'm going to head back to the home web link. I'm going to create another resource here. This time for the virtual machine, we're going to create a new one, right? And where's Big Buford? Right. All right, so UK South, we're good there. Security, we want to have standard. And let's see all images here. Right. Let's take a look at okay. Let's take a look here. And pro version. Picture here. Okay. Let's try it. All right, so we have our image that we want for the Windows Pro. We have our size, and now we need to do our administrator account, which is going to be plab, of course. And then for the password, we're just going to do this here. Right, perfect. Let's take a look at everything down. Selected ports 3389, that's fine. Sure, this is good. Let's review and create or validate. Right. It might give me an issue because of the tags. Never mind. Actually, you know what? I'll still go back to the tags. So let's do one and two. Okay, and then we can create. Now we're going to see the overview of the storage resource as it's loading, and then as you can see, the deployment is currently in progress. All right, so it should be completed in just a second. All right, so the deployment is now complete. So I'll go back to the home web link here. Let's take a look over here. Let's take a look at our dashboard, right? And all of our resources. I'm going to add a filter. All right, so this filter, let's see here. All right. All Now it's going to display only the resources associated with a practice VM01 that I just created for the dashboard. And now all the resources, at least web page in our dashboard is here. I'm going to take a look at the network interface that's associated with the VM. All right. All right, perfect. And I'll take a look at metrics. Now the metrics is loading. Metrics web page is loaded for us for the network interface. So I'm going to take a look at bytes received. Nothing much until here, right? And pretty much we just see the bytes received metric displayed in our dashboard here. And nonetheless, this is the end of the video also for cloud dashboards and reporting. Just for a brief recap, we examined and configured some dashboards, and we explained some dashboard and reporting with emphasis on like elasticity usage, connectivity, configure reporting within a dashboard as well. This one was most certainly fun. On the next one, we're actually going to go over cloud patches, upgrading, and lifecycle management. In the meantime, stay curious, stay secure.